Hey everyone, and welcome back. School can be challenging, especially for 10-15-year-olds who are transitioning through different stages of education. To make the journey smoother and more successful, here are some simple and practical school tips. These tips cover everything from staying organized and managing your time effectively to maintaining healthy habits and staying positive. Let's dive in and discover how you can make the most of your school experience. Use a planner or digital calendar to keep track of assignments, tests, and activities. Dedicate a specific time each day for homework and study. Consistency is key. Don't hesitate to ask teachers, parents, or friends for help if you don't understand something. Don't get yourself in a drama you could end up getting in a fight. Studying with friends can make learning more fun and help you understand different perspectives. Don't forget to take short breaks while studying to avoid burnout. Treat teachers and classmates with respect. A positive relationship with them can enhance your school experience. Keep your backpack, desk, and folders tidy. It's easier to focus when everything is in its place. Limit your time on social media during study hours to stay focused. Skipping meals, losing sleep, or neglecting exercise can negatively impact your academic performance. Find a quiet place to study and avoid distractions like TV or noisy siblings. Avoid late nights to ensure you get enough rest and can concentrate in school. Keep a water bottle with you to keep yourself hydrated during the day. Take care of yourself, do your skincare, and maintain personal hygiene before heading to school. Avoid spreading rumors or talking behind someone's back. Keep extra pens and pencils with you in case someone needs it or you lost yours. Always have an emergency bag that has bandages, pads, wipes, and all hygiene essentials you need. Take a shower before going to school. It will keep you fresh and clean. Always be nice to others even if you hate them. It will make you look kind and caring. Eat a nutritious breakfast to keep yourself energized. Remember that it's okay to make mistakes and that they are part of the learning process. And there you have it. Easy school tips every teen should know. Remember, staying organized, managing your time, and taking care of yourself can make a big difference. Keep these tips in mind to handle schoolwork, exams, and friendships with confidence.